The Gotham Steel Hammered 5.5 Egg Pan is a small but mighty kitchen tool. It's perfect for cooking single eggs or small portions. The 5.5-inch size makes it easy to handle. Plus, it doesn't take up much storage space. This pan heats up quickly and evenly, so your eggs will cook just right. The hammered texture isn't just for looks. It may help with even heat distribution. Cleaning the Gotham Steel Hammered 5.5 Egg Pan is a breeze. Food doesn't stick easily to the non-stick surface. You can wipe it clean with little effort. This is great for busy mornings, and it means less time scrubbing after cooking. The pan feels sturdy and well made. It seems like it will last for a while. Many users give it positive recommendations. They say it's a great little piece for their kitchen. If you need a small, reliable egg pan, consider the Gotham Steel Hammered 5.5 Egg Pan. It's a fantastic option for individuals or small households. While it's not big enough for large meals, it excels at its main purpose. Think of it as a loyal sidekick in your cooking adventures. It's a simple tool, yet it makes cooking eggs so much easier. You can often find good deals on this brand, especially on sites like Woot. It's a worthwhile addition to any kitchen, even if you already have larger pans. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: heats well, very non-stick, ceramic coating, less oil needed, fast cleanup, dishwasher safe. Metal utensil safe, durable build. Cons: feels flimsy to some, not for induction tops, handles on pots get hot, coating may scratch off. Questionable durability, uneven heating reported, food sticks after a while, smaller than expected. Features: non-stick surface, ceramic coating, aluminum build, even heating, dishwasher safe, metal utensil safe, hammered design, compact 5.5-inch size, easy cleanup, comfortable handle. This Gotham Steel Egg Pan is small, at 5.5 inches. It has a non-stick surface with a ceramic coating. The pan is made of aluminum, which helps it heat evenly. It's safe to wash in the dishwasher and you can use metal tools on it. The pan has a hammered design and a handle that is easy to hold. It's also easy to clean after you're done cooking. This Gotham Steel 5.5 Egg Pan heats up quickly and has a very non-stick ceramic coating, so you can use less oil and clean it easily in the dishwasher. It's also said to be safe for metal utensils and is built to last. However, some people feel it's not very strong and it won't work on induction stoves. The handles on other pots from the same brand can get hot, and the coating might scratch off over time, making some question how long it will really last. Some users have also reported that the pan heats unevenly and food can stick after using it for a while. Plus, it might be smaller than you expect.